Okay, let's go. Day 3. Day 3 to 5.
Really? That's okay. I thought it's brand new.
Hindi, okay.
So, Bobby instructed me to do it this way because he wanted to include the clips on his YouTube vlog. But it's so annoying because this tripod's so bigat pala. I didn't know. But it's fine. Still looking for taho so that we can have some snacks, or else we're just gonna starve to death. Pala who should turn? I thought it's me who should turn. Like, I should turn the camera pala.
Do you have some, mommy?
Hi, sorry, we don't. We just use credit cards. Sorry. Like, okay. So,
You heard the kids
you guys heard the kids
asking.
for money. Like, we're poor then, no? And then they asked me in English, like, why? Why would you do that? Then here's my Wabi. And he's so handsome.
Oh my God!
I'm gonna marry him in January. We're already planning. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? Because we're such adults. And that's what adults people do. Adult people get married. And I really love my Wabi. And wow, that's such a nice little cute like road signs. There's like road signs. Wabi, where are you off to? There's like a lot of flowers. See, it's like a garden. Oh, yes, it says there, a rose garden. So Wabi's guiding my steps because I'm not looking at the street. And there's like a street light. And there's like some boats. But I don't think I want to go boating because I'm scared. But
Up close.
me, show my face.
Parang ang dilim.
We just passed through someone who smells like brownie. Laundry approved.
Laging umaawit.
Lagi nang umaawit.
Ganun talaga sa'yo, no?
Pag-ibig na naman.
Because I'm shy pa.
Ilalagay ko sa ano eh. Siopaw?
Just like this po. Cheese and yema po. 100. One lang po. Yeah, this one.
Sarap yan.
Local variant.
Mami kaya. Kaso kakain tayo mamaya. Magmami kaya ako.
We're just gonna have nachos dito.
Yun nga. Tingin mo?
Yeah, that's fine, diba? Where is that? Where's the mommy?
Yun
This one?
Kuya, mami yan, di ba?
Does it look like there's sisig?
Madami. Dito pa. Hey, mami.
Ay, no.
Magawa pa yan. Magawa pa yan.
So we made it to like a carinderia here in front of the Burnham Park. It's so fun because there's like a lot of food, a lot of snacks, and we're just having a light meal because later in the evening we're gonna go to like a cafe with a live band. But for now, we're just gonna have a light meal, and we're so happy to find the carinderia because we don't want to go to a fast food anymore. That's all. So Bobby ordered a mami, and it's so big and it smells so good, and it's so hot and it's so bago. It's not like ready-made or anything. It took a while for it to came, but it's so worth it. See, I'm gonna show you more shot of it. Here's my Waggy enjoying that mami. He loves mami. It's just like similar to like a Paris, but with noodles. And it's like only 85 pesos and it's so big.
Yeah.
And there's a lot of gulay. Like in Manila, there's not much gulay because it's expensive there. But here, there's so much gulay.
May karne. Chicken.
That's a chicken because it's a chicken, mommy.
Okay.
Wow, my Bobby's gonna fly anytime soon because he's been eating chicken, chicken, and chicken, and chicken.
Ay na lang.
Where's my food?
Ay, ikaw rin ba?
She just took my food. Bye guys, we're gonna eat na. Say bye.
Ayan. Love. Ano ba? Ayos, ayos. Grabe, mukbang po siya, guys. Pero ayos ang ano natin dito. Baby, billboard, you go. Say I love Galing talaga ni Kuya Will. birthday. Taho muna. Tapos sarap.
Yung food mo,
Hmm?
pet walang kanin.
Parang lasang luto nung niliston. Maya. Nice, oh, nice. Uy, may chicks. Ganda naman dito sa Victory Terminal. May chicks pa. Todo pa bang? Baba. Wow. Ganda, oh. May pa-pine tree sila dito. Kaso sarado naman yung first class lounge. Pwede na din. Uy, grabe, ganda, oh. Tembarya. 3:15 pa ang flight. 3:15 pa yung flight. Ha? 3:15 pa yung flight.